You ready? Are you ready for some YouTube? Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, we are doing a giant PR unboxing. A little update because last time you saw me, I got little Bebe here. I hadn't named her. I finally came to the name Bebe because I just keep calling her ¿Quién es la bebé? ¿Quién es mi bebé? So yeah, her name is Bebe. I will tag her Instagram down in the description down below, just because I don't want to overwhelm y'all with cat photos on my own feed, even though some of y'all have already said I've been overwhelming y'all, but it's fine, it's fine. So for today's video, we are doing a giant PR unboxing because I kept shoving it in my closet. And now it's at a point where like I can't really get anything from my closet, and now it's really starting to accumulate. Also, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you keep an eye out. Okay, so first up, I got this little nugget from Huda Beauty. This is the Silk Balm Hydra Plumping Lip Balm. I wanted to be so like fancy for this. So the reason why it became a YouTube video was because I was just gonna do it on my IG stories. And then it just became like my whole table is full with PR, and then I still have boxes over there. So it's just gonna become a YouTube video because sometimes like just an IG story just seems so boring with some products that I'm like, you know what, let me like try things out, like this one. What if your hydrating lip balm also left a lasting shine and gave you fuller looking lips? $21. $21? $21? That seems a lot for a gloss, no? I just don't feel like it's getting enough product. Like the little wand doesn't seem wet yet, but I don't get how that doesn't make sense because it's like submerged in the product. I'm gonna give you this angle now because it's my phone and you can actually see skin tone and more up close because the other camera's sitting over there. I just feel like I have to dip multiple times because it doesn't grab enough product, but that just might be because I have big old lips. So if you have tiny little thin lips, you might just need one dip. It looks delicious though. Next up, we have some Ole Henriksen X Key. This is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This cooling mask reduces the look of pores and controls surface oils up to 8 hours. So if this lasts for 8 hours, I should probably do it in the morning. So not tonight, but I'm excited to try this because I have heard about it. I just never tried it. And then they gave me these glasses. Okay, next we have the Sigma Get Some Air. 3 brushes, the Complexion Air. Get the no makeup look you crave with these feathery, soft, skin perfecting brushes featuring luxe duo fibers and patented interlocking ferrules. Okay, so this is an existing brush. It's a flat kabuki. This is a domed buffer. This is supposed to be a new one. Ooh. Dude, Sigma brushes are soft. Ooh. This I would be down. And it's a contour brush? Okay. This would just sheer out my foundation so pretty, the contour blush. Okay, so during quarantine, I for some reason have thought that I shouldn't wash my brushes and it hasn't been fun. I'm gonna need to find an assistant soon. Dude, it's so hard to try to find an assistant during quarantine because it's like, how do you even interview people? Okay, well, I'm excited for my brushes. Hey, stop being a little whore. Ooh, we have this cute little Birkin bag. I love a Birkin. So we have this bag from none other than Wishful. Wishful is the skincare brand of Miss Huda and her beauty. As you can see here, she is taking off her makeup. So this is a Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. Butter? Okay. Yes, we better have men in makeup being represented. You know what? She was not posting men in makeup for a while, but she has gotten a lot better and I do appreciate progress. I'm gonna have to try this. I mean, I have makeup on, so. I know, stunning, right? You're probably like, what? You're wearing makeup? And I'm like, yeah, like, just like a little bit. Like, we're just gonna be layering this video, okay? A little face towel, love that for me. You want a little Birkin? Here's your Birkin. Next up, we have more merch. Yes, Artist Couture. I even like have like a bunch of stickers from the box that I opened early and I put them on Bebe's little fort that I made. Would you guys ever be interested in a once in a while? Don't think this is gonna be all the time. I'm trying to get to 1 video a week. Tuesdays or Thursdays. Y'all let me know. Why don't I just ask y'all? So everyone, let me know. 2 lip glosses, 1 plush pout and 1 diamond lip tease. It seems like one is like deeper while one is like a light gold situation. Only loose setting powder that I use is Artist Couture because, you know, supporting a friend. I'm not the biggest fan of loose highlighters. Is that bad? Oh, his lipsticks though, fuck me up. Look how pretty this is. We need to swatch this. Oh my God. It's like a mauvey little brown moment. I almost put it on, but I was like, Gabriel, you need to stop. Okay, we love that for me. I already swatched this, so I'm keeping that. And then, well, I'll do a giveaway with this gloss. And then I'm gonna keep Yes. Like I only want his as my loose highlighters. That's the funny part, like I have every shade. So when I need a loose highlighter, Artist Couture. So we paused because of the camera, and then I switched because there's like this Glow Recipe sweater that I just wanted to wear, and I just thought like yellow was really pretty on me. And then I took off the headband and I just left all this green stuff. And now it's like, I feel like I lost my groove. So next up, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina. So for Anastasia Beverly Hills, no, it's still Norvina. Okay, so for Norvina, the ABH Norvina collection, we have this giant Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4. I feel so bad because I know I'm opening this one pretty late. Like there's some that are late and there's some that are recent. Things are just so much prettier in person than they ever are online. Even I'm sometimes confused as to, so Norvina is a separate brand or like an extension of the brand. I feel like that's never been fully explained to me. Like, cause I always see people be confused online and even I'm confused. This makes me want to play. Okay. Iconic eyeshadow primers. I'll probably give this away to y'all because I have like 4 of these already. Oh, this I'm so excited for. We have some cake liners. It's like these electric water activated liners, which excites me because then I want to see what other shades the brand will come out with, because I've seen a lot of amazing reviews on these. So these I'm keeping, so don't at me. The cake liners come in 2 different sets and they retail for $30 for all 3. Water activated color intense cake liner goes on liquid pigment and dries to a long wearing opaque finish. Each set includes a trio, so each trio is $30. Like the Huda Gloss is $21 and you'll go through that. Next up we have, these are Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, these are just Anastasia. Dewy Set. Oh, these are dewy setting sprays. Oh, that smells pretty. Oh my God, that smells so pretty. Okay. Yeah, that one is pineapple scented. There's a mango scented one and a regular one. I'm gonna just do a giveaway because I don't feel like I need that many. I'm gonna give y'all the regular no scent one because I'm keeping these 2. Oh my God, these are so cute. I love that for me. Love that for me. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, it's literally just for your skin. Okay, so speaking of Glow Recipe, I'm wearing their yellow sweater because it's f***ing cute and it has a banana. They sent over a little glow vanity kit, like so, and it is the Shelfie Ready Skin Perfecting Trio. It has the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, which is calming and hydrating. It has the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, hydrating and glowing radiance. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, it's a glowing radiance and smoothing of your skin. So it retails for $45 US. I'm gonna keep one because I love skincare. And the other one, unfortunately, I'm gonna send to my sister. Hi everyone, Editing Gabriel here. So I'm actually gonna include the set in the giveaway because I already have all these like full-size products as well. So come on, giveaway. So because I know I'm not gonna use this is a glow diary. It's like just to keep up with your skincare. I'm gonna give it to y'all. Ooh, we have the Live Tinted Hue Stick. It is a lip, cheek, and eye stick. I'm really excited to try this because this is by Deepika. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like the color corrector. I'm gonna buy the color corrector one. The mix and match set because they have a total of 5 colors. So this allowed me to get the other 4. The one that I was looking for, I think, is Rise. It's like an orange kind of color corrector. And then they have like this really pretty pink one, a more maroonish one, and then a more red one. and that way you can see like the price point. This is the shade Free. Oh, that's pretty. I think this Plum Moment. This for fall, down. And then let's just get this out of the way. I got some lily lashes, y'all. Oh my God, so many lashes. Oh my God, do y'all want some lashes? I'm gonna give y'all 3 goddess lashes. And I also do other giveaways. I'm not giving you all those lashes all at once. I like to spread them out. We have Charlotte and her Tilbury, all that box. You know what, Charlotte? You have a very grand presentation because this is really pretty. Why do I want to like keep this out? Oh my God. We have the Charlotte's Magic Serum. Ooh, Crystal Elixir. 93% agree skin looks younger. Down. Oh, look at how beautiful that looks. Ah, the Crystal Elixir Magic Serum. Magic Replexium Serum for glowing, hydrated, youthful looking skin. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles by 34% and firm the appearance of skin by 49%. Okay, I'm down. And then they sent a second box. What if it's the same thing? Oh no, it's not. Oh my God, this is makeup now. We have the Airbrush Bronzer, a matte bronzing filter for face and body. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I feel like Ariel from, oh my God. Look at this beautiful bronzer. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Airbrush Flawless Finish, the Charlotte Tilbury Skin Perfecting Powder. Oh, let me see. Shade 2, is that my shade? Oh, yes. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Oh, Patrick swears by this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I feel so bad. I feel like I'm opening Christmas presents in front of people that like don't have Christmas presents with them. I'm gonna keep opening them. What is this? I don't even want to know anymore. I'm gonna use this too. Oh my God, I might send this to my mom actually. My mom would love this. Okay, so this is the luxury palette of mattes in the shade, or in the 1, 2, 3, 4. They all had different names, I don't know. But this is like the perfect, just like neutral eye for my mom. Like I thought for me, I was like, oh my God, this is so perfect, but it's a little too basic for me. I like to have an array of different shades of like a light brown and like a medium brown and like a dark brown. But for like the everyday woman who like just wants a little bit something more basic, like there's some people that are like, I love makeup, but I don't love makeup that much. And that's my mom. She loves more skincare. She likes me to send her skincare. Sorry girl, I'm not sending you this elixir. This is for me. But I'm sending you this Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, mom. You're welcome, mother. So this is so good. I can't remember if that's my shade 8, but I fucking hope so. Oh my God. Charlotte Tilbury, you have been my favorite unboxing of the evening. Okay, up next we have from Dominique Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, she gave me a mask. Oh my God, a cute little Dominique Cosmetics mask. It's double-sided, nude and black. Okay, we have the Dominique Cosmetics X Jady Wady 180 collection. It is a 2-item collection. It has an... Should I say your name? Okay, so what is it? It is a ultra hydrating complexion primer for $28 and an ultra hydrating fine mist for $32. I mean, I already sprayed my... Y'all said it was not gonna fall. Oh, I definitely don't like the nozzle. It's like spraying weird and like backing up to where it got everywhere. I want to try the primer for sure because it's a hydrating primer, and usually I like a hydrating primer for, although I wear a matte foundation, if I do a matte primer, I over dry my skin. So I like to use a hydrating primer with a matte foundation because matte foundation can look real crusty on the skin. I'm just letting you know. Oh my God, this cup has my name on it. Oh my God, look. Might as well. We have some Sophia Ray Brut Rose Sparkling Wine. You know what? It's midnight. I'm just at home with my cat. Oh my God, I'm one of those girls. That's fine. And then we have a cute little bag. Oh, I like to put the little stuff in. Like, look how cute this tray is. It's just like clear. For like outside when I like go out. You guys, okay, so I had like turf installed into my backyard. There's so many ideas in these videos. Because this one I'm really down to do. If you guys want to see like a backyard remodeling video, I'm totally down to document that. Because I have like a cute little space in my backyard. And they just installed turf. So it's like fake grass. And it looks so pretty that I want to like decorate it. And I feel like that could be such a fun video for us. Let me do it here, just in case. Yes, okay. But I feel like I saved so many. Like I just have like champagne bottles after champagne bottles in my fridge. Poor Gabriel, right? Poor Gabriel just getting all these free champagne bottles that he feels so overwhelmed. Whatever. I forget that it should have been in the freezer. Okay, my night is just beginning and Bebe is getting impatient because she wants me to play with her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, giveaway information. If you guys want to win these items from today's video as well as other items that you haven't seen yet, because I still have to go through PR, but I'm probably gonna add more to this box. You'll just be getting this whole box full of goodies. All you have to do is domestic only, US only. Just comment the emoji that you see on the screen as well as your Instagram. Okay, because I will be contacting you through Instagram at the Gabriel Zamora, that account. 48 hours after this video is uploaded, I will be picking the winner, I will be DMing them, and I will be also linking them in the description. So if you're watching this video after the first 48 hours, this giveaway does not apply to you, girl, okay? Somebody already has this. Wow, okay, come on, Inception. If you liked this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you let me know what you think would be a great video idea. Because I do read my comments, like a lot of my comments. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye everyone. All serious, imagine. The thumbnail, oh my gosh, could you imagine?